Day number 23 of feeding my pet seagull to gain his trust. He's been such a good boy. So today we are getting something special. Seagull caviar. From 1899, with some salmon.
I'm so excited.
Chef. Little black fishy balls. Smells a bit sweaty, but I think he'll love it.
I can't wait to taste the fish balls.
Tuck in, young man.
Holy balls, the taste is unlike any other.
Try another.
My head is spinning with flavor of the balls.
This one has extra.
Come to mama.
You silly goose, you dropped some of the balls.
Whoopsie. No balls left behind. Divine.
You are getting stronger and stronger every day. I am such a proud father.
We.
What would you like tomorrow?
Bigger balls.
Same.